Wa alaikum salam.
My name is Mustafa Sora. I'm the son of one of your biggest fans. The question is, this is for young people.
I'm also the son of one of my biggest fans. My mom and dad are here, by the way. Okay, yeah.
Everyone knows jinns, yeah?
Everyone knows jinns? I mean, I don't know them. Not like that. Okay, anyway.
At the old times, were they out of the world or were they still on Earth?
Why? Go on. Is that the only question?
You see, jinns are here at this time, yeah? Were they in outer space, like in the old times, before Earth?
Before Earth?
Jinns.
Yes. Okay, so let me try to say a few things. You haven't gotten to your question yet because you're doing the yeah, but I'm gonna try to summarize. Allah created jinns and they are capable of traveling beyond the earth, and Allah describes that in the Quran. And when the Quran was coming down, when the Prophet was there, when the Quran was coming down, Allah locked the skies so they could not leave the earth. When they tried to leave, they were shot down because the skies were like, you know, when a president comes through and they lock down all the streets and only the secure vehicles can go by. Well, the legion of angels was coming so that the Quran could be revealed, and no jinns had access to the sky like normal. But then the Quran was finished revealing and the sky was opened again. So I think that's what you were talking about a little bit. Now tell me what your question is.
My dad asked me a question, yeah, and asked him that where did jinns come from?
After all that, you could have just said, where did jinns come from? Okay, last question. G.
Have a handshake?
Oh yeah, you can have a handshake. You can have a hug too. Yeah.